Nope. Okay, we're gonna do fit check. We're recording now. This is from H&M. What this is from?
Target?
Oh! Forever 21 and then Shein, Target, and then, I don't know, fucking Coach. These are so old. We are twin and am. Bitch, I'm asking for a fit check, not a fucking model walk. This is another day, another sleigh. And now we're going to fucking Starbucks once again. Okay, come on, let's go. Whose outfit is better? Which outfit do you think is better? Which outfit of ours?
God, but they're both so cute though.
Thank you. See?
I can't.
You. Oop, there goes the toilet.
Now I believe
We are charging the phone.
We are famous. Look at our TikTok.
Oh, bitch, I can't hear it. There.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
We decided not to go because as soon as I pulled up, I felt very like, maybe I should not be here. I booked it and now we're at IKEA, y'all. So we're gonna go on a mini date. So come along with me and we're gonna just kind of window shop and just hang out in IKEA. Oh, you better come with me and we're gonna hang out whether you like it or not. Anyways, okay, let's go. Day in the life. What you do? Purr.
I already don't like this smell.
Cheers! Stinger sleigh. It tastes like juice to me.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
They're my bang era. Now I'm in my forehead era.
No, it's okay. I got forehead.
I think I like bang era for winter and for.
How are we feeling, Miss Marty?
Excited. Just putting on my croissants because we can't be having ugly nose. How are you? How are you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good. Oh, purr. She ate, yeah.